Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can enable the Keep Computer Awake feature, using which you can essentially make your computer sleep but your Claude running and the processes going on. So this is achieved by enabling the Keep Computer Awake feature in Claude. So it is a safety and functionality toggle that prevents your computer from entering sleep mode while Claude is performing long autonomous tasks like navigating your browser, managing files, or running code via computer use or dispatch. So when using advanced agentic features, Claude needs to control your mouse, keyboard, and screen. If your computer goes to sleep, the AI agent's work stops instantly and the progress is lost. So let me show you how you can enable this. So to enable this feature, simply click over to your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then from this set of menu, choose the settings option and this will lead you to settings. Then under the desktop app, you need to click onto this general option, and within the general option at the last, you see this option that says keep computer awake. So this prevents your computer from idle sleeping while Claude is open, so scheduled tasks can run, your display can still turn off. Closing this laptop lid will still put it to sleep. So if you wish to enable this complete feature, you will simply need to enable this toggle and you're all set. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.